Hello and welcome to Turner Time Tutorials. This video is on how to use multitasking gestures on your iPad. When using your iPad, we all know about swiping to the left, swiping to the right, and the pinch to zoom feature to make things smaller or larger when viewing web pages and other items. There's now some other gestures that are available that you'll have to turn on to use on your iPad. These are called multitasking gestures. Let's go ahead and turn these on. They're located in Settings, so I'm going to tap Settings. And you'll just need to scroll down just a bit till you see Multitasking Gestures and tap to turn it on. I'm going to press my Home button and go back to the home screen. Now there's some new gestures that you can use when working with your iPad. I'm going to open up my Dictionary app. There's the 4 or 5 finger pinch. So if you're inside of an application and you want to quickly return to your home screen, use all your fingers and make a pinching motion. This will take you back to your home screen immediately. If we use a 4 or 5 finger swipe upward, this is going to bring up multitasking bar, which will display all of your open apps, music controls, and the screen orientation lock. You can see here at the bottom that we've opened up the multitasking bar, which allows us to see all the apps we've used recently. And if you scroll all the way to the left, you can see this screen orientation lock and controls for your music player. If you're inside an application, you can now use 4 or 5 finger swipe to the left to move to previously used apps in the order that they were open. So I'm in my Dictionary application, so if I use 4 or 5 fingers to swipe to the left, it's going to automatically take me to the app that I used just prior to the Dictionary app, which was my Settings. If I swipe again, it's going to take me to my Kindle app because I was reading. Again, 4 or 5 fingers to the left will continue to open the previously used apps in the order that they were open. By turning on multitasking gestures in Settings, you now have several more options for navigating around on your iPad. If you have any questions, please email info@getturnertime.com. Thanks for watching and have a productive